In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font in Google Slides. Start by opening your web browser. Google Chrome works great, but any modern browser on your computer will do. Head to Google, and if you're not already signed in, look to the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Choose your Google account, enter your password, and click Next to log in. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Now, let's open Google Slides. In the upper right corner of the page, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of squares. Scroll through the list until you find Slides and click it. This takes you to the Google Slides homepage where all your presentations live. Find the presentation you want to edit and click to open it. Once it loads, we'll make the font changes in a single place so they apply everywhere automatically. At the top menu, click Slide, then choose Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which is where your master and layout slides are managed. On the left sidebar, look for the first and largest slide at the very top. Click it. This is the theme master slide. Any font changes you make here, set the default styles for the entire presentation, saving you from changing text on each slide manually. Let's change the title font. First, click the title text box, which typically says click to edit master title style. In the toolbar at the top, open the font drop down and pick the font you want for all your slide titles. Choose something readable and consistent with your presentation's tone. You'll see the preview update right away. Next, adjust the body text font. Click the main text box used for bullet points and paragraphs. Open the font menu again and select the font you want for your slide content. Consider pairing a bold, clean title font with a simple, easy-to-read body font. Keeping these consistent helps your slides look polished and professional. When you're done, close the theme editor by clicking the X in the top right corner. There's no separate save button, your changes are saved automatically. Back in your presentation, the new font settings now apply to all slides that use the default title and body placeholders. If a text box was manually changed before, you may need to reset that specific slide's layout so it picks up the new defaults. And that's it. Your default font in Google Slides has been successfully updated, giving your entire presentation a cohesive, consistent style without extra work on individual slides.